Hi, this is Warren at Westcott Designs, and this is our install video for our 24 Land Cruiser Molle panel.
Before installing your brand new Molle panels by Westcott Designs, make sure that the crossbars are clear from the installation. Step 1 is to place our Molle panel adapter onto the roof rack. As you can see, Warren is placing the bolts to hold this adapter in place. Once both are in, then he can hand screw them into the crossbar on either end. This side of the adapter requires 4 bolts. On the other side of this roof rack panel, you're going to place a washer and a nut to hold down the bolts in place. The middle section only requires the 2 going into the crossbar. And the back side also only requires 2 as well. Once everything is hand tightened, you can then get your impact driver and start tightening away. For the front end of the adapter, you are going to need to get a hand ratchet and just tighten away as well. Once everything's been tightened, you're going to remove the 3 bolts hanging downwards. You're then going to grab your Molle panel, place it as you see on the video, and put those screws back in. We recommend that you do the ends first and then finish off in the middle, just to make sure everything's aligned properly. Once everything's hand tightened, again, grab your impact driver and tighten away. Lastly, what we're going to do is apply pressure onto the suction cups onto the window, and you're going to keep pressing, as you can see on the video, until the white line goes away, and you're going to do this again for the other side as well. Once you can no longer see both white lines on both suction cups, then you've completely installed our Molle panels.